and breathing and breathing and breathing.
Shaving.
Just keep shaving and shaving. Oh my goodness. What just happened? Cutter ready. Hello everyone, it's Maureen. Today we're going to be doing a unboxing of something. So you're gonna be, I guess you'll know already because the title of this thing will be written in here, of course, in this video, so you know what's going to be inside this box. Let's do it. This would be just an unboxing. I'm gonna like tilt it down so that you guys can see what I'm looking at. How about that? Okay, there you go. Okay, oh my god! This is so fun. Oh, what happened is this was delivered. Found it out already that they put a hold on it. They put a door tag, and that door tag, I brought it to FedEx Hub, and then I waited there for a couple of hours to wait for the truck driver because she's not back yet. So I waited for it, and then yeah, that's just a backstory about this. So we have this stuff from Verizon, receipts and all, and here it goes. So here it is, and oh my god, I got the 256 gigabytes. There it is. Oh, we want to know what's inside. But before I unboxed it, I ordered a case for this phone, so in Amazon. So I gotta open this first, so that when we have the phone, then we'll just like attach the phone to this one. This is kind of dangerous how I open it. Oh, I got the matte white. I just want my phone color to, you know, show up. I don't want it hiding, so that's why I got the transparent one. I bought this for $8, so it's affordable. Huh, interesting. This is so thin. What the heck? But we'll see. Here's our phone. Let's start opening it. What is it? Happy last day of summer.
Snowing.
He's not happy. Happy last day of summer. Okay, I'm gonna unbox this already. Let's see. So I'm not gonna use my cutter, but we are going to just use this tab right here because we are wise. So here. Oh my god, the best thing ever. It's so exciting. Unbox. I think this one is gold right here. If you guys can see. Gold. This is also gold. First that you will see is this stuff right here. Sticker. Some paperworks. I've never read this little stuff in here because I was just so excited for the phone, but oh my god, the phone is so beautiful. Okay, this is just saying about just instructions, and then oh, I think this is the first time that I got this one. And another one is some instruction. Hello. Yeah, I'm here. Just instructions like that. Welcome to iPhone. Thank you. Face ID. Oh my god, this would be the first time that I'm using Face ID. It's gonna be fun. So I'm gonna put it back, and then I'm just so excited. Oh, there's hair. Another hair. So here's the phone. Oh my god. Okay, we got the adapter, or however, whatever you call this. I even thought that this is a friggin' Apple AirPods, but it is not. You just got fooled. Lightning cable. And that's it. That's it. That's what is inside. So we'll put that back, and then here is the iPhone. Oh my god. It's so pretty. This is gold. This is really gold. This is friggin' gold. I have a gold iPhone. Like seriously, this is gold. Like the gold bars. You know, gold bars right here. Gold bars. It looks like this. That's what I'm looking right now. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This is the gold that I've been looking for. Oh my god, this is so precious. Do you see what I'm seeing? The video is not giving justice, but in person, the reflection, you see that gold right there? That's what I'm seeing in real life. And the sides, it looks black in the video, but it's actually black and the gold combined. This is gold. This is not rose gold. Can't stop looking at it. This is just another level of goldness. This is so different. Now, I hope you can see what I'm talking about. The iPhone 8 Plus does have like an off-white kind of hint. XS Max has the gold shimmer on it. It's been 10 minutes. I have to move on. It's almost 12 midnight. I gotta take this plastic off, which I've been waiting for a year to do this again. Satisfying. Okay. Oh, stuck. This looks like a friggin' gold bar. Well, I guess this ends my unboxing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Bye!